Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. I am planning to make a pair of trousers. This is the neck part. It is a see-through pattern, so I'm thinking of a solid granny square, not less see-through for my hip. So it will look like this. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet this solid granny square. Let's get started.
Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. This is counted as 1 double crochet. Another 2 double crochets into the ring. We have 3 double crochets here. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Tighten up the ring. Chain 1, half double crochet into the 3rd chain. Round 2. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. 1 more double crochets into the space. Double crochet into every double crochet stitches. Two double crochets into the corner space. Chain 2. 2 more double crochets into the corner space. Three double crochets. Then we are at the corner space again. So 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets all into this corner space. Then we have 3 double crochets here. So put double crochets into every double crochet stitches. then 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets all into this corner space. Put double crochets into every double crochet stitches. Then we only have 2 double crochets in this corner space, so we need another 2 double crochets. Then we chain 1, half double crochet into the third chain. Chain 3. This is counted as 1 double crochet. Then 1 more double crochets into the space. Now we put double crochets into every double crochet stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we put 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches into the corner space. Now we put 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets all into this corner space. Then we put double crochet stitches onto every double crochet stitches. And 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets all into this corner space. Then double crochet stitches onto every double crochet stitch. Then we put 2 double crochets into the corner space. If you like continue to make it bigger size, you chain 1 and half double crochets into the third chain. But if you like to finish, now you are happy with this size. So all you do is pull up the loop, find the third chain, go from the back, pull through, chain 1, and cut off. That's how it looks like. If you would like to make bigger size, just put 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets all into the corner space. And then you double crochets to every double crochet stitches. Just repeat this pattern and you can go for any size you like. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time.